Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a calligraphy sketch pen. First, let's get familiar with your tool. A calligraphy sketch pen typically has a broad, chisel-shaped nib and a comfortable barrel. Holding it correctly is key. Aim for a consistent 45-degree angle to the paper. This angle helps create those beautiful thick and thin lines. Also, choose smooth paper, around 90 to 120 grams per square meter, to ensure your ink flows perfectly, without any smudges or bleeds. Now, let's dive into the foundational strokes. Calligraphy relies on a contrast between thin and thick lines. For upstrokes, apply very light pressure, allowing the pen's edge to create a delicate, thin line. Conversely, for downstrokes, press firmly to engage the full width of the nib, producing a bold, thick line. Practice these basic movements repeatedly, perhaps for 10 to 15 minutes daily, to develop muscle memory and control. Consistency in pressure and speed is crucial for elegant lettering. With your basic strokes mastered, it's time to form letters. Each letter is a combination of these fundamental upstrokes and downstrokes. Focus on maintaining consistent letter height and even spacing between characters for a polished look. Try practicing entire alphabets, both capital and small letters, to understand their unique constructions. When connecting letters to form words, aim for a smooth, natural flow. Remember, calligraphy is about deliberate, controlled movements, so take your time with each stroke. Consistent practice is the cornerstone of improvement in calligraphy. Even a short 15-minute session each day can significantly enhance your skill over time. Don't be afraid to experiment with various ink colors and different paper textures. This can open up exciting new creative avenues. Finally, proper pen maintenance is vital. After each use, gently wipe your nib clean with a damp, lint-free cloth to prevent ink from drying and clogging. This simple step ensures your pen remains in excellent condition for many years of beautiful writing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.